neutral gender. This is neutral gender. A sibling can be a guide, of course, a friend, a mentor, a competitor. Yes, competitor. You are the great competitor for each other. And you give competition in every field, whether it is in fight or in love and care. All roll into one. Now, see, these things are a sibling guides you. You share the things with him or her. A mentor मतलब गाइड करता है कि हाँ तुम्हें क्या सही है क्या गलत है उस चीज में गाइड करता है कंपटीशन देता है कि हाँ भाई हमें अच्छा करना है या बुरा करना है और टीचर यस टीचर एक ही रिलेशन में इन वन सिंगल रिलेशनशिप there are many things that can be understood that can be uh, learned. Okay, write at least 3 words that would describe your brother sister. Also give the reason for your choice. Now at least 3 words. Now you can write if your brother is bossy or sister is bossy, naughty or caring. Huh? Reason Q, always boss around, always tell you to do something or the other thing, always do some mischief, always care for you and the family. This may be the reason you can do it of your own list. 3 things that you like a lot about him or there are people who love about their brother and sister that if your brother or sister always gives you is generous like if he or she is generous, he and she is talented, very talented, or good singer, good dancer, and talent, or you like about his or her learning skill. Okay, so there may be other things that you may be liking about your brother or sister, so you have to enlist the thing. Now, 3 things that you do not like about it. Of course, you do not like when he or she is very dominant, always dominating. Dominance जो होता है वो पसंद नहीं आता है या फिर if your sibling tells lie. There are other things that you can list here, or you can say is very honest. Sometimes your sibling is so honest that it brings trouble. So these are the things you may. Honesty is a positive trait. Always remember, honesty is a very positive trait. One must have it. Okay, now let's read this story about 2 sisters. As I told, siblings is neutral gender. It can be brothers, it can be sisters, it can be brother or sister or brother. Okay, any of these relationships is called siblings. They are sibling to each other. Okay. Now Nikki's sister. Now Nikki is a girl, and now we say here it is sitter. It means who takes care of. Nikki is sitter. Sitter. Nikki is the name, proper name. See the capital letter. Nikki sitter means Nikki को देखभाल करने वाला. Now Nikki hated Wednesday. That's because on Wednesday, Mama worked late and left Kara in charge. She hated क्यों? वो Wednesday को पसंद नहीं करती थी. क्यों नहीं पसंद करती थी? क्योंकि उस दिन मम्मी जो है निक्की को घर छोड़ देती थी किसके केयर में? Kara is of course elder sister of Nikki. So Kara was in charge of Nikki when Mama was away. Nikki used to like hanging around her sister. Now see here, Nikki used to like hanging around. Hanging around means अपने sister के आसपास रहना पसंद करती थी. Kara had taught Nikki how to play checkers. Checkers एक गेम होता है. अब क्योंकि बड़ी बहन है तो कुछ ना कुछ सिखाएगी तो उसने बहुत सारा चीज सिखाया भी था तो उसमें से क्या सिखाया था Nikki how to play checkers and how to blow bubbles as big as her face. You must have blown the bubble gum as that how big you can blow that bubble gum. I would have blown up to this size, and when it busted, it got pasted on the face. It was fun, of course. All the brother and sister do that, I think. But Kara didn't seem to like doing much of anything with Nikki anymore. But now Kara didn't seem, this Kara is fed up of taking care of Nikki. And she's not liking it, except telling her what to do. Now Kara is not teaching or having fun with Nikki because वो अब हमेशा उसको बोलते रहते, always she is telling you do this or you do not do that. Also there was the relationship that was turning into a bitter one. When Nikki asked, when Nikki asked Mama about it, Mama said it was all part of growing up. And when Nikki complained about Kara to her mother, Mama said कि नहीं, it's okay क्योंकि who is growing up? Kara is growing up. So अब ना Nikki didn't want Kara to grow up if it mean losing a sister. Yes. Since she is growing up, she is having her own engagement, she is having her own friends. So Kara was not paying much attention, and Nikki was not liking this. She was telling that I don't want Kara to grow up if it means that I will lose my sister, my loving sister. Nikki walked up the flower-lined pavement that led to veranda. She stomped. Stomped means it is written here. Stomped means to tread heavily. Means with a heavy foot, मतलब भारी मन से धीरे धीरे चलना. Walk, to walk heavily. It is written there down. It is in bold. It is written there. Up the steps and reached the knob. Knob means door का जो knob होता है ना वो जिससे खोला या बंद किया जाता है. That is, she turned the knob and it was locked. Kara could be here by now, thought Nikki. The middle school finished. The middle school finished half an hour earlier than the primary school. Of course, she was in primary and Kara was in middle school. So middle school की जल्दी छुट्टी हो जाती. Nikki rang the bell and waited. Nothing. She dropped her book bag and pounded. Pounded means to knock loudly on the door. Okay. Pounded on the door. Hey, Kara, she yelled. Yelled means shout. Yelled means to shout. Are you there in? Are you in there? No, said a voice behind her. Means पीछे से आवाज आई. Nikki spun around. Spun means जल्दी से घूमना. Spin का past tense. Just remember regular and irregular verb. Nikki spun around since the story is in past tense. Okay, always stories are in past tense. So Nikki spun around and saw that Kara had walked out from the behind. Means पीछे से, from the back. Behind means from the back. The house. What's wrong? Asked Nikki. Why aren't you inside? Nikki questioned. What's wrong? क्या बात हुई भाई? Why aren't you inside? You have the key, said Kara. I gave it to you on Sunday so that you could get Mama's purse for her. Okay. So now Kara is asking कि भाई चाबी है तुम्हारे पास? No. Go this. Nikki is saying, no, I gave it to you so that you can get Mama's purse. तो कुछ सामान लाना था तो मम्मा का पर्स वाला था तो उसने चाबी ऑलरेडी दे दिया था. Nikki thought for a moment, then said, yeah, but I gave it back to you. वापस तो मैंने दे दिया था. No, you didn't. Kara said with a sneer. Sneer means a scornful smile. Scornful means मतलब डिसरेस्पेक्ट वाला या फिर कंटेम्प्ट वाला. ठीक है, कंटेम्प्ट एंड डिसरेस्पेक्ट वाला जो गुस्से से देखना. Kara said with a sneer that Nikki had got accustomed. She has become habituated. Accustomed means habituated. She was habituated of it. मतलब अब Kara का habit ही बन गया था कि वो हमेशा गुस्से से ही बोलती थी. Well, I'm not sitting here until Mama gets home, said Kara. I'm going over to Tina. Now, Kara is not anymore a good sister. She didn't want to take care of Nikki. So she said, I'm not going to wait here until Mama gets home. मैं जा रही हूँ कहाँ? टीना के घर, अपने फ्रेंड के यहाँ जाना चाह रही थी. मैं जा रही हूँ. But you can't, yelled Nikki. तुम नहीं जाती. You cannot go. Mama said you are supposed to stay with me until she gets home. Now Nikki, this is Kara, the elder sister Kara, and she is Nikki. Okay. Why do you care now? अब ये बोल रही कि नहीं तुम तो जा नहीं सकती हो क्योंकि मम्मी ने तुम्हें कहा है कि मेरा देखभाल करने के लिए. Why do you care now? You don't want me to watch you any other time. अब क्यों तुमको इतना फिक्र होने लगी? You don't want me. अब मैंने कारा बोल रही तुम्हें तो मेरी जरूरत नहीं. अभी क्यों बुला रही हो? Said Kara. I heard you complaining about me to mama. मतलब every brother sibling do some complain about their sibling, है ना? So she had complained about Kara. What Nikki has said? Kara is mean, Kara is bossy. Kara crossed her arms and turned back to Nikki. But now Kara is very angry and she's like, okay, you said that Kara is mean, Kara is bossy, and she turned away. Nikki didn't know what to say. Kara is right. अब तो ये तो अब उसके पास निकी के पास तो कोई जवाब ही नहीं है. She said कि ये बात तो सही है. वो मनी मन सोची कि that is true. Kara is right. She thought, I do hate that she has to watch me like a baby. Means now Nikki don't want to be baby, but uh, Kara takes, since Kara is the elder sister, she behaves like that she is a baby. She said to Kara, maybe if you don't treat me like a baby, I wouldn't get angry. तो Kara हमेशा उसको बच्ची की तरह ट्रीट करती है तो उसको बच्चे होना पसंद नहीं है. उसको लगता है कि I am grown up, so why she is treating me like a kid. तो she said कि हाँ तुम अगर मुझे बच्चे की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करोगी तो मैं तुम्हें शायद मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आएगा तुम्हारे ऊपर. Maybe, now Kara said, maybe if you did act like a baby, I won't treat like one. And now क्योंकि निक्की बेबी की तरह ट्रीट करती है, जब बेबी की तरह रहती है तो कारा इसलिए ट्रीटिंग हर लाइक अ बेबी. तो ये दोनों में आर्ग्यूमेंट इज गोइंग ऑन, द कन्वर्सेशन, द डायलॉग्स इज गोइंग ऑन. मींस दे आर arguing with each other about their point of view. Maybe if you treated me like a sister, like instead of, मतलब sister की तरह, ना कि someone to boss around, I would be nicer. Shouted Nikki. Now Nikki is also shouting कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर तुम मुझे बॉस की मुझे बहन की तरह ट्रीट करो ना कि एक बॉस की तरह, तो शायद मैं थोड़ी अच्छी तरह तुम्हारे साथ बिहेव करूंगी. This is accomplishing nothing. Means accomplishing means मतलब ये कुछ चीज कुछ रिजल्ट पे नहीं जा रहा है, कुछ नहीं, इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. Said Kara, I am going to get us into the house. You can sit here and complain all you want. Kara stormed round to the back of the house. Storm means मतलब तेजी से, storm मतलब होता है तूफान. तो वो बहुत तेजी से बाहर बाहर मतलब उधर से चली गई. Nikki could hear Kara checking the windows and the cellar door. मतलब जहाँ से लकड़ी वगैरह मतलब जो रहता है जो स्टोर रूम टाइप का, वहाँ सब जगह चेक कर रही थी. She was checking कि कहीं पर कुछ मिल जाए अंदर जाने के लिए. But she didn't go back to help. कौन नहीं गया? Nikki. While Kara was checking, Nikki didn't help Kara in searching the keys, but instead Nikki sat down. Instead of helping Kara, what did Nikki do? Nikki sat down, past tense, sat down on the steps and rested her head on her knees. अपना सर झुका करके बैठ गई. Her lips quivered. Quivered means tremble. मतलब shake करने लगा, मतलब बहुत emotional हो गई. And her eyes burned as tears made a quiet track down her face. मतलब उसके आंख से आंसू ट्रैक बनाकर, मतलब रास्ता बनाते हुए नीचे गिरने लगे. Nikki turned her head and was using her sleeve. Sleeve means मतलब अपने हाथ बाग से अपना चेहरा पोंछना, dry her face, when something caught her eyes. It was the stepping stone that she and Kara had made for Mama a few years ago. It had their handprints pressed into it. Their names were scratched on it in jagged letters. मतलब टेढ़ा मेढ़ा लेटर में इसमें उन लोगों का नाम लिखा हुआ है. निक्की स्माइल, मतलब उसको थोड़ा खुशी, मतलब उसके चेहरे पर एक नॉस्टैल्जिक स्माइल आ गई. निक्की स्माइल्ड when she saw that her N was backwards. मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको फनी लगा कि उसका N जो है उल्टा लिखा हुआ था. She knelt down, मतलब kneel down. past tense again, मतलब बैठ जाना अपने घुटने के ऊपर, and placed her hand over its old impression, means वो जो छाप पड़ा हुआ था उसको देखने लगी, covering its completely. She could cover Kara's handprints too. She and Kara had both grown a lot. जब कारा छोटी थी तो उसका हाथ छोटा था, but now Nikki can cover Kara's handprint, so they have grown up. Grown up means now Nikki too is grown up, so she is not supposed to be baby. Why? Kara is a young lady. As Nikki traced the letters in her sister's name, a memory popped. Popped means मतलब अचानक से उसके दिमाग में आने लगा. Popped into her head. It was early spring. शुरू का बसंत का टाइम था, and she and Kara had been helping Mama plant flowers. Mama had told Kara that she would place a key under this stone just in case अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो, है ना, just in case she will keep a. They both have forgotten that the key is there. Where? In the stepping stone. That's when Mama had asked Kara to look after Nikki. Kara didn't want to do, wasn't sure that she could do it. Nikki had forgotten about that until just now. Maybe Kara didn't want to be a babysitter anymore. Then Nikki wanted to be babysat. मतलब अब दोनों ही. Kara is also not ready, but she is not willing to take care of Nikki, while Nikki also didn't want to be a baby anymore. मतलब दोनों ही अपने अपने जगह से they were not happy. Now Nikki lifted the stone and saw the plastic bag with the house key in it. She snatched, मतलब जल्दी से निकालना, खींच लेना it, and ran towards the back of the house calling, Kara, look what I have found. मतलब now she is very excited. Nikki stopped short when she saw her sister wiping away tears of her own. Now see here, both the sisters are unhappy. मतलब निक्की तो दौड़ के आई, now she has forgotten since she has got the keys, तो वो अपना दुख भूल गई है, लेकिन यहाँ पर देख रही है वो कारा भी आंसू पोंछ रही है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो भी अपने आप से अपने जो सिचुएशन था उससे she was unhappy. She whispered means to speak slowly, handing her the key. Thanks kiddo. Kiddo means बच्चे. Said Kara softly, बहुत प्यार से वो बोली. I had forgotten all about it. Kara unlocked the back door and they went inside. Sorry, they said at the same time. दोनों ही अपने अपने बात से अपने अपने इससे अनहैप्पी थी. मतलब उनको लगा कि दोनों ही गलत थी, तो दोनों के दोनों एक साथ बोली सॉरी. Kara shook her hand and smiled. मतलब शेक किया उसका धीरे से हैंड और स्माइल किया. I guess you are not a baby and I am not a babysitter, or at least not a very good one. मतलब वो मैं बेबी सिटर नहीं हूँ और शायद मैं उतनी अच्छी बेबी सिटर नहीं हूँ. Now she is realizing that she has made her younger sister unhappy, so she is thinking that she is not a good babysitter. You are okay. Now Nikki is saying, नहीं नहीं, you are okay. But let's just say that we are sisters instead. चलो हम लोग आपस में बेबी सिटर ये नहीं होते हैं, बच्चे नहीं बनते हैं, हम लोग अब सिस्टर्स बनते हैं. डील, मतलब डील हो गया अब दोनों में. Said Kara. She hesitated for a moment, then said, "Want to play checkers?" Nikki smiled and ran to the games cupboard when they were looking a lot better. मतलब अब दोनों में सुलह हो गई थी. Now they are enjoying each other's company. And now they are sisters. Not one is boss, one is taking care of the baby, and one is being a small kid. So that's all for today. That's all. And bye. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.